Everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe my channel. If you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This link I will give you in a description box. Please check it and join it. Let's discuss our first job. Our first job is as a database developer. Experience need 1 to 6 year of experience, and the salary is not disclosed here. Location is Delhi NCR, and this is job description. You must have knowledge of MySQL and no SQL, and your requirement is you must have completed your BTech, BCA, MCA graduation, and a role is data science and data analytics. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now, apply, and you fill the detail. Our next job is a data science analyst. This is and experience need 0 to 1 year of 1 year of experience. Salary is not disclosed here also, and location is Bangalore. This is your job description: support and deliver data science engagement for India and South Asia client, and you must have knowledge of Python codes. Role is data science and data analytics. Industry is education and training. Department is data science analytics. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is software developer in the field of Python and C++. This is this is internship, and location is Noida, and experience need 0 to 1 year of experience, and salary is not disclosed here also. And the job description is educational background. You minimum completed your bachelor degree in the computer science, and you must have a skill like software design, Python, UNX. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job from BCG. BCG is hiring for software engineer internship, and this is about BCG company. And the requirement is you have completed your master or PhD degree in computer science research and technology. And who is apply for this job? You must and this is your basic pay. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from SolarWind. SolarWind is hiring for machine learning intern for Bangalore location. And experience need fast learner, a strong analytical skill. And how to apply this job? You have simply fill all the detail like first name, last name, email, phone number, and you have upload your CV. And after that you have submit your application. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. Please support this channel.